Factory operations can be unpredictable. When an instrument fails, your client is losing valuable production time. If the part is very critical, the entire operation goes into shutdown. The clock begins ticking. Your client's operations are unproductive till that part is replaced. And as an OEM, you want to ensure minimum downtime. Your aftermarket services are fast, so you order the part to be replaced from your global fulfillment center. Despite bearing high freight costs, you face a long lead time because the part is stuck in customs. Your delivery date commitments are missing the mark, and the customer's frustration is adding up. For the client, the real cost is not the cost of part replacement. The real cost is lost production time. Your customer experience is hampered and your reputation is at risk. What if you can change this by replacing replace with repair? A great customer service to all your Indian customers. Sans the investment to set up a service center. You can count on Synchronics, industrial electronic experts. With 3 decades of experience in repairing electronic instruments and a strong team of technicians who carry out troubleshooting and chip-level repairs with high-quality assurance, we can be your extended service arm in India. This collaboration can also aid in PSU representation to help you expand the market reach in India. As an ISO certified company, we have implemented conscientious systems and processes. Our specially designed ERP software allows complete traceability of the instrument under repair. When an instrument enters the facility, it is assigned a unique job ID and an email is sent out. High-resolution photographs are taken and repairs are logged at every stage. Armed with the experience of repairing thousands of industrial electronic instruments of different types, our team has a strong expertise in root cause analysis. Our software allows us to furnish detailed service reports to help you identify faults in your instruments. As an OEM, this data can be really crucial and can help you in new product development. A range of versatile fault diagnostic equipment, our state-of-the-art workbenches and strict service protocol enables our technicians to weed out problems from the most complex boards and instruments. The technicians also undergo knowledge upgrade sessions from time to time to keep up with the latest industry know-how. A reservoir of component data sheets and a rich inventory of high industrial grade components allows our technicians to repair accurately and swiftly. We can also help you service and repair legacy instruments. We have top-of-the-line testing equipment and specially designed test jigs to ensure that a job is not returned for additional maintenance. Strict service protocols and a seamless repair process, right from the repair to packing and shipping, means your customers get unparalleled service. Plus, your customer experience is enhanced with fast turnarounds and virtual technical support. Reliable service means happy customers, and you have an edge over your competitors. Choosing repair over replace means you can contribute to reducing e-waste and a happier planet. Reliable customer support for your Indian customers with Synchronics, your reliable industrial repair partner.